Hello everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will explain HP Elitebook not turning on and a foolproof troubleshooting guide. Number 1. Check power supply. Ensure the power adapter is securely connected and functional. Try a different outlet or adapter if available. Number 2. Perform a hard reset. Unplug the power adapter. For models with removable batteries, remove the battery. Press and hold the power button for 15 seconds. Reconnect the power adapter and battery if removed, then press the power button to turn on the laptop. Number 3. Check for display issues. Listen for startup sound or observe indicator lights. Connect an external monitor to determine if the issue is with the display. Number 4. Reset BIOS settings. While holding these keys, press and hold the power button for 1 second, then release all keys. The BIOS recovery screen should appear and follow on-screen instructions. Thanks for watching.